एक्झाम कट्टा या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती सर्वांचे सहर्ष स्वागत. आपल्याला माहिती आहे सध्या रिसेंटलीच MPSCच्या खूप साऱ्या पोस्ट ह्या डिक्लेअर झालेल्या आहेत. त्यामध्येच एक आहे की असिस्टंट प्रोफेसरसाठी इकॉनॉमिक्ससाठी. तर तुम्ही या चॅनलवरती नवीन असाल तर लाईक शेअर सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. चला तर आज आपण पाहूयात डिटेल सिलेबस फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ द असिस्टंट प्रोफेसर इकॉनॉमिक्स, महाराष्ट्र एज्युकेशन सर्व्हिस, ग्रुप A, कॉलेजिएट ब्रांच. Steps of the examinations is written exam for 200 marks, interview 50 questions, level, degree, medium, English and Marathi, nature of your whatever questions will be there. Paper is the objective type, number of questions will be 100, number of marks are 200 and duration is 1 hour. हे एक्झामसाठी तुम्हाला MCQ मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन्स असणार आहेत. 100 क्वेश्चन्स आहेत, 200 मार्क्स आहेत, म्हणजेच तुमच्या प्रत्येक क्वेश्चनला हा 2 मार्क आहेत आणि यासाठी तुम्हाला वेळ आहे 1 तासाचा. तर आणि तुमची जी काही द फायनल मेरिट लिस्ट विल बी प्रिपेअर्ड बाय कन्सिडरिंग द मार्क्स ऑब्टेन इन रिटर्न टेस्ट अँड इंटरव्ह्यू. तुमचा इंटरव्ह्यू जो काही 50 मार्काचा आहे, रिटर्न एक्झाम 200 मार्काची आहे आणि तुमची जी काही फायनल मेरिट लिस्ट लागणार आहे ती लिस्ट तुमच्या एक्झामिनेशनवरती आणि इंटरवरती दोन्हीवरतीही डिपेंड असणार आहेत. चला तर मग बघूयात सिलेबस काय आहे. नाउ फर्स्ट इज theory of demand, axiomatic approach, demand functions, consumers behavior under conditions of uncertainty, theory of production, cohesive and non-cohesive oligopoly, different models of objective of the firm, Baumol modes and Williamson factor pricing, general equilibrium and the welfare economics. Second one is nothing but the Keynesian and post-Keynesian approaches to theory of output and employment, concept of investment multiplier, consumption hypothesis, theories of investment and accelerator, theories of demand for money, Keynesian and post-Keynesian, different approaches of money supply components and determinants of money multiplier, output price determination, aggregate supply and aggregate demand curve analysis, Fleming-Mundell open economy model, development and growth role of institutions, theories of growth and development, models of growth of John Robinson and Kaldor, technical progress, Hicks, Harrod and learning by doing, production function, approach to the determinants of growth, endogenous growth, role of education, research and knowledge, explanation of cross-country differential in economic development and growth, theories of development, classical, Marx, Schumpeter and structural analysis of development, imperfect market paradigm, Levy's model of development, Rennie's Fivey model, dependency theory of development. Factors in economic development, natural resources, population, capital, human resource, development and infrastructure. Trade and development, trade as engine of growth, two-gap analysis, Friedrich Singer and Myrdal views gains from trade and LDCs. Theories of taxation, types, incidence and effects, theories of public expenditure, effect on savings, investment and growth burden of the public debt. Union finance trends in revenue and expenditure of the government of India, state finance trends in revenue and expenditure of the state governments. Public debt, India's public debt since 1951, growth composition, ownership pattern and the debt management. Union state financial relations, horizontal and vertical imbalance, the finance commissions. Fiscal policy and fiscal reforms in India. Monetary approach and adjustment in the balance of payments, regional blocks, multilateralism, world trading system, the political economic of imposition of non-tariff batteries, international trade under conditions of imperfect competition in goods market, theory of international reserves, optimum currency areas, theory and impact in the developed and developing countries, WTO and its impact on the different sectors of the economy. Next one is the components of the money supply, rules, constitutions and functions of money and capital markets, RBI recent monetary and credit policies, commercial banks and cooperative banks, specialized financial and investment institutions, non-bank financial institutions and regional rural banks. Industrial structure and economic growth, pattern of industrialization, public and private, large and small industries, theories of industrial location, Indian experience, industrial productivity measurement, partial and total trends, industrial finance in India, industrial labor problem, policies and reforms in India, economic reform and industrial growth. Population and economic development, interrelation between population development and environment, sustainable development. Malthusian theory of population, optimum theory of population, theory of the demographic transition, population as limits to growth and as ultimate source, concept of demography, vital rates, life tables, composition and uses, measurement of fertility, total fertility rate, gross and net reproduction, rate age, pyramids, population, projection stable, stationary and quasi-stationary population, characteristics of Indian population through recent census, poverty in India, Insulate and relative analysis of poverty in India, environment as necessity, amenity and public goods, causes of environmental and ecosystem degeneration, policies for controlling pollution, economic and perceive their relative effectiveness in LDCs, relationship between the population, poverty and the environmental degradation, microplanning for environment, eco-preservation, watersheds, joint forecast, forest management and self-help groups, role of state in environmental preservation, review of environmental legislations in India. Next, role of agriculture in Indian economic, share of agriculture, interrelationship between agriculture and industry, institutional aspects, land reforms, green revolution, technological aspects, agricultural input and shift in production function, capital formation in the rural sector, savings, assets and credits, strategies for rural development, regional disparities in Indian agriculture, cooperative movement in India, organization, structure and development of the different types of cooperative in India. Applications of differential and integral calculus in theories of consumer behavior, production and pricing under different market conditions, input-output analysis and linear programming, applications of correlation and regression, testing of hypothesis in regression analysis. Next is single education linear model, assumptions and properties of OLS, multiple regression model, estimation and interpretation, multicollinearly, autocorrelation and heteroscedasticity, causes, detection, consequences and remedy, dummy variable, distributed lags, needs, limitations and interpretations, applications in economics, simultaneous equation models, structural and reduced forms, endogenous and exogenous variables, identification problem and conditions, single equation methods of estimations, TS, indirect least square and least variance ratio, techniques of forecasting, ARMA, econometric properties of time series, unit root, integrated series, random walk and white noise, theory of consumer behavior and theory of firms, theory of pricing, monopoly, monopolistic competition, duopoly, oligopoly, theory of games, two-person, zero-sum game, pure and mixed strategy, saddle point solution, linear programming and input-output analysis. Static and dynamic multiplier and accelerator, Samuelson-Hicks state cycle model, growth models, Harrod and Domer, neoclassical models, Solo, Bido, Caldor's model with technological progress, endogenous growth models, employment and output determination with fixed and flexible prices, ISLM, aggregate demand and the aggregate supply analysis. The rise and fall of Bretton Woods and emerging international monetary system, world trading system, evaluation and distortions, globalization, development in exchange markets, euro currency market and the international bond market, international debt crisis, theory of foreign exchange market, exchange trading, arbitrage and market headings, growth and productivity trends in Indian agriculture, development of the distributed institutions, cost and price policies, agriculture marketing and credit, trends in the migration and labor markets, minimum wages act, WTO and sustainable agricultural development, reform in Indian agriculture, planning and economic development, cost, price, WTO and Indian agriculture, globalization, liberalization and the Indian industrial sector, infrastructure and economic development, social sector, poverty and reform in India, women, environment and economic development, trade reform and liberalization. This is all about the syllabus. This is the syllabus reference आहे, तुमचा जुना सिलेबस दिलेला आहे, सो दॅट यू हॅव द डायरेक्शन टू द स्टडी. तुम्हाला स्टडीसाठी एखादी डायरेक्शन भेटावी म्हणून हा रेफरन्स सिलेबस तुम्हाला दिलेला आहे. माहिती आवडली असेल तर लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. धन्यवाद.